Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to shut down or restart your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is just press the volume down button and the side button together, press and hold, and after a few seconds you'll see something like this, and from here you can power off or you can restart. Now if you do not want to use the buttons, then there is one other method that you can use. For that, all you have to do is use two fingers and swipe from top to bottom like this, and here you can see the shutdown icon, and just tap on it, and now you can power off or you can restart. And if I tap on power off and power off again, the phone will turn off. Now to turn it on, all you need to do is just press and hold the side button or the fingerprint button only, and after a few seconds the phone will turn on. And that is how you can turn off or shut down or restart your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.